In the meantime, opposition members of the PAC maintain that this morning's meeting was properly convened. TVJ's Deshan Hendricks picks up that story.
Unusual and unfortunate, a dark day in Jamaica's democracy. The words used by opposition members of the PAC to describe the decision by the House leader to instruct the clerk of the House, Heather Cook, to end Tuesday's PAC meeting, which was in the process of examining the Petrojam report. PAC Chairman Mark Golding defending the decision to hold the meeting.
I felt as chairman that it's very important that the Public Accounts Committee begin the review of it as quickly as possible.
He said the clerk was asked last week to convene the meeting this Tuesday, though the government members did not want to sit. The 5 opposition members, Peter Bunting, Lisa Hanna, Michael Phillips, Fitz Jackson and Morris Guy, voted for the meeting.
And I, as chairman, indicated that my casting vote would be in favor of the meeting going ahead.
At Tuesday's meeting, no opposition member, Mr. Golding saying apologies from only 3, Juliet Holness, Juliet Cuthbert-Flynn and Leslie Campbell, nothing from the others. But with the meeting abruptly ending and on instructions from the House leader, Carson Muda, to the clerk, concerns from the opposition.
This is a shocking development. The parliamentary staff do not report to the leader of government business. He was quite wrong in attempting to subvert and put an end to the proceedings.
Mr. Golding saying this improper ending of the meeting is an attempt to stop the work of the PAC.
It is, in my view, an abuse of power by the government. In my view, it is contemptuous of Parliament to operate in this way and was very disrespectful of the Auditor General and our staff. Indeed, the PCJ executives and staff, the Petrojam executives and staff who were there, the newly appointed permanent secretary in the office of the Prime Minister, and of course, all committee members who were present.
Peter Bunting, joining in, said he went to see the Speaker in his office to find out why the House leader was overstepping his bounds to end the PAC meeting.
The Attorney General and the Speaker were both in his office at the time, and neither of them, in fact, they were not aware of it. It was just being brought to their attention, and neither of them could quote any authority that this action was being taken on.
I feel actually sorry for the clerk, because if she's being instructed by somebody, I almost feel that she's being victimized and abused in a manner, and it is unfair to her.
The opposition members said they would consult the leader of opposition business on the way forward before deciding their next step on the matter. Deshan Hendricks, TVJ News.